can adjust your head-up display by using the cursor button on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Now use this cursor button to cycle through the different elements of the instrument cluster to get to the head-up display. Now use the knurled knob by pushing in to bring up the menu. Roll up and down to navigate the menu. The first option you come to is height. You can roll down on the knob to decrease the height, or roll up to increase the height. This can also be done with brightness. To decrease the brightness of the screen, roll down, or to increase, roll up. Finally, we will adjust rotation. If you pull down, it will rotate to the left, and if you push up, it will rotate to the right. You can also configure the elements of the heads-up display. This is done through the PCM screen. Select Settings, Displays, Head-up Display, Configure Customize Display. Now you have a wide variety of choices here to configure your head-up display. Some of the items will only take the small boxes, and some will take the large. Take an item and drag it to the desired location and drop. If it doesn't fit in that location, it will not allow. After you have the desired configuration, select Confirm. You have now configured your head-up display in your new Cayenne.